Good morning, y'all. So today we're heading to Walmart, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to see what we get. Hey y'all, so we're back from Walmart and we're unpacking. Don't mind my dirty ass car. Oh my god, look at that shit. So bad. But yeah, we're back from Walmart and we're unpacking. Let's go. Safe to say that Walmart was a success. And I'm about to show y'all everything that we got, okay? Cute ass pajamas that I got for my son. One is Spider-Man, because he loves Spider-Man. And oh, this one is falling off. This one is Minecraft, because he also loves Minecraft. But they're like so nice and fluffy and soft. We're like halfway through the video and half the shit can't even fit on my calendar. This is ridiculous. Okay guys, so this is the result of my Walmart haul. God damn. Woo, that shit is full. Mind you, my fridge was empty before. Ooh, stop playing. Okay, that's empty.
Open it for you, please. Let me just in case open it. Hi, Seafood.